Assalamu alaikum friends, hello everyone. Once again, welcome to Backward channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may Almighty. Keep you happy, keep you home safe, happy, and may you continue to enjoy like this. Amin. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing, stylish crochet Christmas handbags designs ideas collection. Beautiful designs, beautiful patterns, very amazing, colorful crochet, stylish handbag designs ideas collection. Very amazing, colorful ideas with Happy Christmas Santa Claus designs ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in it all the designs that I am sharing with you. Today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market. About short designs, you can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion in videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Allah Hafiz.